Hey everyone, last month we did this static portal effect, and this month we'll be continuing with it, creating a opening and closing using the keyboard input in Blueprint. So this is what I've got so far. I'm going to open it now. It's going to stay for as long as you want, and then I'm just going to close it using my keyboard. So let me play it again for you. So I haven't done any recording yet. I guess it's gonna be a long one, maybe 2 hours. I'm gonna try to condense it into maybe 1 hour, but I'm guessing by the amount of work that needs to go into this, it might be a 2-hour tutorial. And this is for the Patreon and also for tier 1 on 1mafx.com. And also I've got this asset, but it's only for tier 2 on 1mafx.com. It's a Meteor. I've got a couple masks for the stone itself, and also I've got this crater, as you can see here. Currently it's using the mask material with some ditter on the edges. I'd imagine you can just take that one and sink it into the ground and create some impact just to cover the transition between the clear ground and the crater. Okay, it's gonna come with a couple masks. We're gonna apply some noise to it in the video, and then you can just grab this asset and create some VFX for it. And we got a couple stones as well as a separate asset, so I'd imagine you can use those as a maybe some kind of trails that follows the main meteor, like a debris. And also you can use the same one maybe for the impact when the meteor hits the ground. So this asset is mainly for you to create VFX for it. You can essentially take the knowledge that you learned from tier 1 and try to implement it into the meteor, because we went through so many tutorials. It might be a good idea to start actually implementing that knowledge into your own effects. And also for tier 2 we've done smoke and a fire recently, so you might actually go through those as well if you are lacking a little bit in that department, and maybe you can implement knowledge from those tutorials onto the meteor effect itself. All right, thank you so much for your support, and I'm gonna try to release the portal in the week time, because obviously it's Christmas. I'm super busy. Hopefully you are as well, or maybe you had some time to explore various effects, but that tutorial will be coming within week time, and the meteor should be available already for tier 2 on 1mafx.com. All right, thank you so much.